Hello and welcome students in a new video. This syllabus is from Maharashtra State Board. We are going to learn Standard 3rd, Subject English, Unit 4, Chapter number 31, Robotics. Children, this lesson is activity based and let us start now. Lesson number 31, Robotics. A robot is a complex man-made machine that can perform many of the tasks that human beings do, and some tasks that are too difficult or dangerous for human beings. Robots are built in such a way that they can perform these tasks automatically when they are started or on command. Robots may be operated by remote control. So children, in this paragraph we have seen that a robot is a complex machine which is made by man. It can do some tasks which are different and dangerous for human beings. The robot can do all its work automatically if they are started or commanded. It can be controlled by a remote. A robot usually has three things. It has a built-in computer program. This program is like robot's brain. Only a robot cannot think on its own like human beings do. It cannot decide whether to do something, whether something is good or bad on its own. It can learn and do only what the computer program makes it possible for the robot to learn and do. A robot does not have moods and feelings like human beings do. Like other machines, a robot can do boring tasks again and again without getting bored. It can work in dangerous places where human beings cannot go or live. So children, here in this paragraph we have seen that the robot has an inbuilt computer in it. That is called as the brain of the robot. Now the robot does not have its own brain. It does not have any feelings. It does not know what work to do and what not to do. It does not know any good or bad like human beings. But it can do all the types of difficult tasks or difficult and dangerous work where the human beings cannot do or cannot live. A robot has mechanical parts or a body. These parts enable the robot to move or perform certain actions in certain ways. These parts may have pipes, tubes, cylinders, wheels and gears joined in a particular way. There may be devices that scoop up or hold things, blow, suck, sweep, etc. These parts are designed to suit the purpose for which the robot is built. So students, you have seen that in this paragraph we have seen that a robot has a mechanical parts which is said at its body. These parts enable the robot to move or perform. The body of the robot or the body parts of the robot may be like pipes, tubes, cylinders, wheels or gears joined in a particular way. This device can hold, scoop or suck or sweep. These parts are designed in such a manner that it suits the robot or the purpose of work which the robot will do. A robot also has sensors or device that inform it about its surrounding. These sensors are like the robot's eyes, ears, nose, skin, etc. Again, these devices are designed and fitted to the robot by experts who design and build the robot. So children, here you have seen that a robot has sensors and these sensors are like its eyes, ears, skin, nose. It is made up of in such a way that the sensors they tell or get information about the surrounding and they give it to the robot or the human beings, those who need it. Some robots are designed to look like human beings or other living things, or they may be given other suitable shapes. It requires a lot of hard work, skill and imagination to design and build robots. Would you like to design or build a real robot when you grow up? For that, you will have to study the relevant subjects well and also develop a good imagination. So children, here you have seen that some robots are designed to look like human beings or even other living things. It takes lots of hard work and imagination and skill to make such type of robots. And when you grow up, if you want to make such types of robots, then you have to develop or study relevant subject and develop your imagination to make such kind of robots. So children, now let us see how to design your own robot. Use the following points and make a design for your own robot. Purpose. What are you building the robot for? What work will it do when it is ready? Material. What materials will you use to build the robot? Metal, plastic, glass, etc. Size and shape. How big or small will the robot be? What shape would be most suitable? Parts. What parts will the robot need to move or to do its work? Is it necessary to have bending, curling or stretching parts? Sensors. What sensors will the robot need? Where will you fit the sensors? Energy. Will your robot work on electricity? Do you need batteries, solar cells, etc.? Where will they be fitted? How to operate the robot? Do you need buttons or a remote control or both? Safeguards. What safeguards will the robot need to protect its parts? Now draw a picture of a robot that you have designed. Label the picture, describe in short what your robot can do. Choose a suitable name for your robot. Children, I would request you to please try and make a robot. Let us see the hard words and their meanings. Complex, made up of many parts. Second word, scoop. Scoop means to pick up something using a spoon-like device.